Budding Mathematician Award, Star Reader Award, and Extra Miler Award. Siren Storm Legaspi, Tenacious Striver.
Our school principal, Mr. Israel Ibarra, to our school administrator, Mrs. Digna Ibarra, to our school president, Pastor Vicente Ibarra, to my teachers, Teacher Patricia Villion and Teacher V. Ibarra, to all the teachers, my classmates, to all the students of Shekinah Learning School, and to all the dear parents that gathered here today. A pleasant morning to all of you. Today is a special day for all of us. I'm so happy and excited to be here today. Thank you to our teachers for sharing your knowledge and time, for the care, love, and support. I had so much fun and learned many things. To my classmates, thank you for the friendship. You made school a happy place. To Tatay, Nanay, and Kuya Joaquin, thank you for always being there. You are my best supporters. I love you all. This is a wonderful journey, and I am ready for the new one. I know we will all do great things. Congratulations to the completers of Shekinah Batch 2024 to 2025. Congratulations for all of us.
Thank you very much. From the nursery level along to 1 or daddies. Let us also welcome on stage our
you pick me up, and when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. You help me see around. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you.
So, nakita ka nila, oh.